This is going to be a video tutorial on how to insert a logo watermark on all slides in your PowerPoint presentation. Let me jump over to PowerPoint here. This right here is what I'm going to create. As you can see in the background here, I have a transparent logo image in the background. I have it on all pages of my PowerPoint presentation here. Very easy to do. Let me start from the beginning here. Okay, to add a logo watermark to all slides of your presentation, first thing you want to do is go up to the View tab. You want to click on View. Then you want to go over to where it says Slide Master and click on Slide Master. Now you want to scroll all the way to the top. Make sure you select the very first slide here. Don't pay any attention. If you're not used to PowerPoint, don't pay any attention to the text here. Select that first slide there. Then you want to go to Insert. Click on the Insert tab. Then you'll go down to Pictures. Select Pictures. And then I'm going to go from this device. My image is on my device. I'm going to click on this device. I'm going to find my image here. There's my image right there. I'm going to select my image. I'm going to click on Insert. And now as you can see, my image, for one thing, it's on top of my slide. I want it to be pushed to the back. But first, I'm going to select my image. I'm going to right click. I'm going to choose Picture Format. Now in the pane off to the right hand side, what I want to do is I want to reduce the transparency of my image. In the pane off to the left side, I'm going to select the very last icon there. It says Pictures. If you put your cursor over it, it says Picture. I'm going to select that. Then I'm going to go down to Picture Transparency. And I'm going to select that. Now I'm going to reduce this transparency slider way down. I'm going to put it about here. You can make it as transparent as you want. I'm going to go a little bit lower, right about like that. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to crop my image. I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to grab the corner up here, the corner of my image, and I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to pull in towards the center. You can make it whatever size you want. I'm going to make it about that size. Now I'm going to grab my image and I'm going to position it wherever I want to position it. Now the next thing I want to do, I want to move my logo watermark to the back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on my image and I'm going to go down to where it says Send to Back. I'm going to click on that. And now see, I could add text if I want to. My image is in the back. I can add text to it. Now the next thing you want to do, I'm still on the Slide Master tab. I'm going to go on the ribbon. I'm going to go all the way off to the right hand side and I'm going to click on Close Master View. Now I have my logo watermark on every slide. That is how you add your logo watermark to every slide of your PowerPoint presentation. Thanks for watching.